Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about class Aves. In this video, we are going to discuss about class Mammalia. The word mammal comes from the presence of mammary glands which help in nourishment of young ones. Now, habitat, they are adapted to varied habitats. For example, lion, tiger, cheetah, they are found on land. Camel can be found in the desert. Bats can fly. Whale and dolphin, they can swim in water. So they are found in varied habitats and they are well adapted to their environment, and which is why they are the most advanced animals. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. If tail is not present, tail bone will be present. If tail is not appreciated, if tail is not present, at least tail bone will be present. Now the mammals have two characteristic features. First is the presence of mammary glands which help in nourishment of young ones, and the presence of hair on body, or skin. These are the two characteristic mammalian features. Respiration is through lungs, and there is a special muscle known as diaphragm, which is the principal muscle of respiration. It is also a characteristic mammalian feature. Diaphragm is not seen in any other animals. Apart from helping in respiration, it also helps in defecation, micturition, etc. Now skin is thick and glandular. Various type of glands are present, such as sebaceous glands, which produce oily secretions, sweat glands, which produce sweat. So various type of glands are present, and hair are present on skin. Limbs, they have two pairs of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs. These limbs are modified according to different habitats. For example, they can be modified for swimming, walking, running, etc. Hind limbs are absent in some aquatic mammals. Hind limbs are absent. Now the alimentary canal is complete and cloaca is absent. So there are separate openings for alimentary canal and genitourinary system. Sound production is done through the help of larynx, which is also known as voice box. Circulation is of closed type. Heart is four-chambered, and they also exhibit double circulation. Red blood cells are enucleated, that is, red blood cells do not have a nucleus. Skull is bicondylar, that is, there are two occipital condyles. They can regulate their body temperature, which is why they are known as homeotherms. The neck possesses 7 cervical vertebrae. In almost all mammals, you can find 7 cervical vertebrae in the neck. Even giraffe, which has a very long neck, there are no extra vertebrae. These 7 vertebrae increase in length and give giraffe its long neck. So there are 7 cervical vertebrae. Exception are sloth, and the other exception is sea cow. Sloth has 8 or 9 vertebra, and sea cow has 6 vertebra in the neck. Excretion is through metanephric kidneys, and mode of excretion is ureotelic, that is, they excrete out urea. Brain is large, well developed, and cerebrum and cerebellum are well developed, and cerebrum and cerebellum are, these two are well developed. Cranial nerves, there are 12 pairs. Cranial nerves means the nerves that arise from brain. Corpus callosum, it is a special structure which joins two cerebral hemispheres. It connects two cerebral hemispheres. So the two hemispheres, one will be like this, one will be like this, and corpus callosum, it provides connection between two cerebral hemispheres. Ear is well developed, and external ear in form of pinna, and auditory canal